Hi again. I was going for a walk this morning and saw this rosemary growing by the side of the path. So I grabbed a bunch and we're going to make this rosemary and salt focaccia bread. To make the focaccia dough, start by adding 4 cups of bread flour to a bowl. Bread flour has more protein, but plain flour will also work. Next we're adding in our yeast, which will help the focaccia to rise. We're using instant dried yeast, which looks like this and can be added straight to the other ingredients. If you're using active dried yeast, it needs to be activated in some warm water first. Add in the 2 teaspoons of yeast and 1 teaspoon of salt. Stir to combine the dry ingredients. Once combined, create a well in the centre where we will pour our wet ingredients, which are 2 tablespoons of vegetable or olive oil and 1.5 cups of room temperature water. Add this in gradually and stir after each pour. You may need up to 2 cups of water until all of the flour is mixed into the dough. It should form a slightly sticky dough. Scrape the focaccia dough onto a board and knead for 5 minutes. Return the dough to the bowl, cover with a tea towel, and then leave in a warm spot for 30 minutes to rise. Meanwhile, prepare your baking tray with some baking paper or a little bit of oil. Spread all over the base and around the sides. Now after 30 minutes, remove the tea towel to reveal the dough, which you can see has increased in size. Now scrape the dough into the prepared tray and stretch it out into the corners with your hands. Cover with the tea towel again and allow to rise for another 30 minutes. To prepare the rosemary, hold the branch at the tip and then using your thumb and index finger, slide down the branch to remove the sprigs. And then preheat the oven to 200 degrees Celsius or 390 Fahrenheit. After the second rise, remove the tea towel and then using your fingertips, push down into the dough to create lots of little holes. We're adding another 2 tablespoons of oil. Spread that out evenly, plus our rosemary sprigs. And then finish it off with around a teaspoon of ground rock salt or flaky salt. It's now ready to bake in our preheated oven for around 40 minutes or until golden and crisp on top. My apartment smells amazing with that fresh bread and rosemary smell. While it's cooking, I just wanted to say a big thank you to all of my 1,052 subscribers. Once golden brown on top, remove from the oven. Cut the focaccia into pieces and serve hot. Super fluffy. Thanks for watching and I hope you enjoyed this recipe video. Why not check out another one of my vegan recipe videos here.